Hey guys, so today I'm gonna tell you about Hinds Dam that is situated in the Queensland Gold Coast. So, Hinds Dam basically is a primary source of water, drinking water supply to the Gold Coast population. So basically, the importance of this in uh, in Gold Coast is for the water security, like how it is managing and providing the reliable water supplies for the growing urban population. And also it actually gives the flood mitigation, showcasing the value of flood mitigation, that how infrastructure is actually helping to mitigate the natural disasters, so that it can protect the communities from the flooding, and the downstream communities from the flooding, and all water flow can be like stop. Environmental management, for the environmental management also, it is putting the efforts to balance the ecological preservation, like fish trapping and management of the surrounding areas. There are some recreational opportunities also with this Hinds Dam, to actually demonstrate how water infrastructure can also contribute to the community well-being and tourism. It also, this infrastructure upgrades the like lives upgrades the upgradation of infrastructure is basically meeting the change. So basically so basically Hinds Dam is supporting, it's an integral part of the Gold Coast Sustainable Development Strategy that supports water security, community well-being and environmental sustainability. So with this, these are like sustainable development goals. Hinds Dam actually contribute many development goals. Like it has the goal, sustainable development goal number 6. It says about clean water and sanitation. It means it is actually providing the pure and clean water, reliable water to the to for the Gold Coast.